Good morning. My name is Madhagari Tirupati. Roll number 17951A0398. Branch Mechanical Department. Subject Automobile Engineering. Today my topic is working of constant mesh and uh, synchronomesh gearboxes, and we are going to discuss what are the advantages of constant mesh and synchronomesh gearboxes in further slides. Constant gear mesh constant gear mesh gearbox employed helical gears for power transmission. The gears are rigidly fixed in the lay shaft. The dog clutch is shifted by the selector fork moved by gear lever. To provide reverse gearing, a leader gear is used. When the gear lever is pushed, the gear selector fork pushes the dog clutch. Synchronous transmissions are further refined version of the constant mesh system. Although less common, it splits the dog clutch into two, a, two dog's clutch into two. A gear fixed to the drive shaft called synchronizer hub and a collar around the outside of it that would slide back and forth called the shift sleeve. It splits the main difference in the synchronomich transmissions and constant mix transmissions. Here the dog clutch splits into two. There it will not split directly, it will support the gear. A constant mix gearbox is a type of transmission in which all forward gear pairs remain engaged. The constant mix gearbox is a type of manual transmission in which the gears are meshed or fixed together positions. In constant mix gearbox, the gear wheels remain engaged all the time. Mainly, the constant mix gearbox is used for transmission of motion in forward direction. It may not be recommended for the transmission of back force in the backward direction. Whereas in synchronized mix gearbox, the motion can be transferred in further direction and in the backward direction. Here, the splitting of clutch may not be take place, but whereas in synchronized image, the splitting of clutch will be takes place and the motion is transferred in forward and backward direction. Here, synchronomich gearbox is refined version of constant mix gearbox only. Means the only difference between these two is that in the constant mix gearbox, the gears are locked with the shaft with the help of dog clutch, but in synchronomich gearbox, they are connected by a device called synchronizer. In constant mix gearbox, the shaft is locked and where locked with the dog clutch, and whereas in synchronomich gearbox, they are connected by a device called synchronizer. Advantages of constant mix gearbox. The gears are used in manual transmission. Constant mix are helical and double helical and are quieter during operation. Because the gears in a constant mix gearbox are constantly meshing, it less likely to damage the gear teeth, and this typically less wear on gears. Mainly in constant mix gearbox, helical and double helical teethed gears are used for transmission of power, and these are uh, engaged with a manual transmission for uh, changing in the speed, for increase or decrease in the speed, the gear should be changed manually from one gear to another. The damage of teeth while transferring the motion from one driven shaft to driven shaft, the damage is very less. Advantages of synchronous gearbox: smooth and noise-free shifting of gears, which is most suitable for cars. Mainly, the synchronous gearbox are used in cars for decreasing the noise and other sounds mainly. And there is no loss of torque transmission from engine to the driving wheels during gear shafts. Double clutch is not required. Less vibration. Mainly the synchronous gearbox used for the uh, cars to decrease the vibration and to transfer the mm, more torque from driving wheels, more torque from engine to the driven wheels. Thank you.